Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening personalization so you can change the Windows bar color directly. Right-click the desktop and choose Personalize, then select Colors in the left column. Once the Colors page loads, focus on the settings labeled Choose Your Color and show accent color on the following surfaces. Make sure you pick Dark or Custom if you want more control. Enabling Show Accent Color on Start, Taskbar, and Action Center applies your choice to the Windows bar immediately. Now select the actual accent that becomes your Windows bar color. You can pick from the preset palette or click Custom Color to enter a hex or RGB value for exact matching. Once chosen, toggle Show Accent Color on Start, Taskbar, and Action Center so the bar updates. If you want stronger contrast, turn off transparency effects. If you prefer a subtle look, keep it on. Use automatically pick an accent color if you want Windows to sample your background, instead of manual selection. Finish by confirming the taskbar reflects your accent. Minimize apps to inspect the bar. If the color didn't update, sign out and sign back in, or restart Explorer via Task Manager to force a UI refresh. Make sure the active theme isn't overriding your choice. Switch to a default or custom theme if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if colors still fail, disable high contrast or accessibility themes. Then reapply your accent so system settings can accept the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.